Hey, Chad here. Welcome back to another Rally with Rolly video. In today's video, I'm going to be putting tire slime in my tubes on my dirt bike tire. Just applying the philosophy that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of parts. Well, on my moto camping adventures, I intend to pack light. I don't plan on packing tools or tubes, patch kits, none of that. So I'm going to run this as a preventive measure. Now it says it does dirt bikes. 8 ounces per tire, 16-ounce bottle. It'll do both tires. I noticed there were two products of this. One was for tubes, one was for tubeless applications. If you plan on doing this, make sure you get the proper one. All right, the cap is actually the tool to remove the valve stem. Gonna remove the valve stem with it. Let all the air out. Oh, I must have already done that one. Reinstall valve cores. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Inflate. Give the tires a spin. Distribute that slime. All right, well, I have 3,334 miles on this bike, and that was the mileage I have during the install of the slime. So follow along, I'll keep you updated on how the slime performs, how it prevents tire flats. Maybe it doesn't. Remember, go adventure, go rally.